Tired of project management feeling like navigating a maze? Let's ditch the chaos and unlock the power of Google Sheets for streamlined project success. First, open a new Google Sheet. Start by labeling your columns task, assignee, status, start date, due date, and notes. These are the essentials for basic project tracking. Now, fill in your tasks. Be specific. Instead of just website, break it down: website design, content creation, SEO optimization. Assign each task to a team member in the assignee column. In the status column, create a drop-down menu. Go to data, then data validation. Choose list from a range and enter your statuses: to do, in progress, completed, block. This makes tracking progress a breeze. Next, add your start and due dates. Google Sheets has a built-in calendar for easy selection, ensuring accuracy. Add some visual flair with conditional formatting. Highlight the status column, go to format, then conditional formatting. Set rules so to do tasks are yellow, in progress are blue, completed are green, and blocked are red. This instantly highlights problem areas. For a quick overview, use formulas to count completed tasks or calculate overdue tasks. This data helps you stay informed at a glance. Finally, share your sheet. Click the share button and add your team members with appropriate permissions. Collaboration is key for project success. And that's it. You've transformed a simple Google Sheet into a powerful project management tool. Ditch the expensive software and embrace the simplicity. Download our free template in the description below. And happy project managing.